Hi, we have 10 exercises to strengthen your abdominal muscles and your hips. So let's begin. We're going to start lying on your back, supine position for the first exercise. So we have your feet hip width apart, your knees are pointing up to the ceiling, your pelvis is in a natural, comfortable position, your spine is long, chest is open, arms long by the side. So this is your hip bridges. Number 1, we're drawing the abdominal in as you breathe out and then take an in breath. Now as you exhale, I want you to lift the pelvis up using the hamstring, the muscle behind the thighs, and finish up with your glute muscle, your bottom muscle, and your abdominal wall is drawing towards the spine. And then as you inhale, folding at the hip, lowering the pelvis down to the floor, and then breathe out again and press up. Inhale, keeping the spine nice and long. Exhale. Inhale. Taking care that your inner thighs are active, that your knees are still pointing forward. Exhale up. Inhale down. You want to lift the pelvis as high as you can so you're in one straight line from the shoulder, hip, and the knees. Inhale. Exhale. You feel the hamstrings working here. And the glute towards the end. Your inner thighs are active. Let's go 4 more. 3, 2, 1 more. And lower it back down to neutral pelvis. Exercise number 2 is your leg changes as you breathe out. Again, you drawing the abdominal wall in, stabilize the pelvis, lift the right leg up to tabletop. And the next breath out, second leg up, left leg to tabletop. We're going to lower one foot down and then switch. Keeping the pelvis stable and the lower back stable too. The abdominal muscle is working here. And exhale and change. I'm thinking, scooping my belly button towards the floor. I'm thinking, drawing my lower abdominal up towards my middle abdominal. And tap down, 2 more sets. The last set. Bring the legs up to tabletop. Squeeze the thighs together. Now glide your arms out to the side to the T position for exercise number 3 is supine spine twist. Squeezing the legs together. Now let's rotate to your right. Now I'm thinking moving from my spine. My left shoulder stays down. Exhale, return my left rib cage. My oblique comes back in. Pulling the whole body back to the middle. Inhale over to the left. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale over to the right. Exhale, we come back to center. And then over to the left as I keep my right shoulder down. Exhale, my right oblique, bring my whole spine back to the middle. Over to the right. Left shoulder stays down. Exhale. And inhale. So this is the exercise for the obliques muscles of the abdominal. As I go to my right, I'm going to feel the stretch on my left waistline. Exhale. And over to the left. Exhale. 1 more each side. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. And lower 1 foot down. Second one down. Have your feet hip width apart. And then we're going to slide the arms, interlacing the fingers, the back of the head. Ready for exercise number 2 is your chest lift. Elbows can float slightly off the floor. Take an in breath. As you exhale, drawing the abdominal muscle into the spine, lengthen the spine, and then we're going to fold the upper body, upper chest up. In breath. Exhale.